How to get and use Instagram following feed chronological order. How to get and use Instagram following feed in chronological order. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply use and get that following feed on Instagram in that chronological order. So first of all, what you're going to do is open up the Instagram application on your mobile phone devices and make sure your app is updated. So once you do that, you go into the home option or home tab or home icon that is at the left bottom corner of your screen. When you just tap on it, this kind of a page pops up. Now at the Instagram, where Instagram is written, you're going to tap on it and it'll contain the arrow down button. So once you do that, there are going to be two options. One would be for following and the other one would be for favorites. So when you'll tap on the following one, you'll always see the post which from the accounts you have been following. So this is how you do it. This is how you get and use the following feed on Instagram. So this is how you get and use following feed in the chronological order on Instagram. I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Till next time, peace.